What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of LH Fishing, and today we got something in store for us. We got our car loaded down with our poles and our waders, and we're down here at this river that's just raging. But hopefully we can go down here and catch us a nice steelhead or nice trout and make a video out of it. But that's what we got today, and hopefully we can get down there and make something happen. Oh my God, I can feel the water splashing me from here. That's crazy. It is ripping. Oh my God. It is ripping, guys. I think I can do much of that, but I think I'm gonna give her hell anyways. Dang, there's not much you can do with that. The river is so high. I mean, look at over here, you guys. Look, it's in the trees. Over here. Check it out. Oh my God. River is so high. See if I can put you guys on a fishing line and see what we can see. That'd be pretty cool. Maybe some other day, maybe not with a $1,000 camera. Go check it out up here. Holy cow. River's up. Dang, that river's up, you guys. They're letting all the water out of the lake so the salmon and steelhead can run up for the summer. It's mid-April, so they're starting to run up. That's why they're pumping all the water out of the lake so they can run up into the rivers, run up high enough into the rivers, because California's finally out of the drought. Man, I was just about to leave you guys, and I just seen a little trout jump right out there in that crazy river. I just seen it jump real close to the bank on this side of the current. We gotta get out there and grab our pole. We gotta get out there now. I was just about to leave. Ain't that something? Let's get out there. I'm gonna just tie on a spinner out there and hope for the best. I'm gonna tie on like a heavy one and hope for the best. That's exciting. I was just about to leave. No, dentist's gonna hate me for that one. Oh, gotta move, you guys. Set you right on my bag of goodies. All right. All right, you guys, I think I'm gonna go with a little heavier spinner today because that water is ripping. Maybe I just throw a Castmaster out there, a gold Castmaster, or how about a blue and silver one? I like the sound of that, blue and silver. I'm gonna throw this Castmaster. You guys can see it, blue and silver one. Just tie it on there with a regular fisherman's knot. We're gonna get out there. Boom, boom. All right, we got that Castmaster tied on. Oh, let's get out there. Let's see if we can just throw a cup, one or two. And if anything, cast it once or twice. Better than not casting it at all. Let's send it out there. We've seen those fish jumping real close to the bank. So hopefully we'll get one real close to the bank. Oh gosh. Messed up putting my pole together. Just send it out there. Oh, whoa, do you guys just see that fish jump right there? That's crazy. I told you I seen one jump. Hope you guys seen that fish jump right in front of me. Oh, I just got splashed. Standing too close. Oh, man, this river's crazy, you guys. Don't get too close, that's for sure. Just nice and slow. Hopefully we'll get one. I don't really have the current working with me today, you guys. Kind of got to pull it myself. You would think so, but it just ain't in the right angle. Got something, you guys. Look at that one. That's funny. At least we ain't going home empty-handed. Have a stick for dinner. Step over here a little bit and actually send her out there. Let it sit for a second. There wasn't that big of a spinner. I don't see big fish jumping, so we're gonna keep it small and basic. Ooh, boom, you guys, you see that? Oh, we finally got one. Oh, oh. There it goes. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Hope you guys seen that. He chased it right and got it right at the bank. Oh, that was awesome. Let's do it again. Nice and just reel it. That was awesome. Can't get nothing better than that. That makes the whole day worth it. Oh, the current's pulling me now. Twitching a spoon, you guys. Alright, let's get it back out there. See if we can get one. Oh. Let it sit for a second. Get to the bottom of this. Try to get another one. This river's so, it's just crazy, it's so high. Hasn't rained at all. I would love to go walking, but oh, I got stuck on that log, guys. Hope my spinner gonna get stuck. Oh, there it went. Whew. Take a couple steps down and go over this way. Might go change the spinner on with something really bright. So like it gets down there in the water column and it's not so flashy no more. All right, we went ahead and put a different color on. This one's a little bigger too. Just another Castmaster. Let's send it back out there and hopefully it will hook up like we did last time. Oh yeah, way better. Man, if that was the only one we caught and I can't even get to show the camera, that would suck. I hooked up, you guys. Oh yeah. Finally got one after all that. It just snapped right there. Oh, see that bigger one? See that big one? Oh, go, guys. You see that? You see that? What the heck? What the heck? Oh, let's get this little guy off of there. Oh my God. That big one just came in and attacked it, you guys. That was awesome. Let's get this back out there, try to get that big one. Oh, that was awesome. Hope that was on camera. That big one just came up out of nowhere and started attacking the little one. Man, hope that big one hits it. That was crazy. That was too awesome. Uh-oh. Knew that one was gonna happen, just got stuck on that log. Well, I don't think I had a choice for that one. Alright guys, we got a different spinner tied up now. We got this little one, so hopefully we can get it out there and catch one. I put split shots on. I put 2 little split shots on just to help me get deeper down into the water column. I still have that same spinner on. But now let's get out there and really get after it. Oh yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get it on. Come on, fish. Oh, see? Oh. We gotta put that one on there. That was too awesome. Started singing my little fishy song and there it was. Just a little fishy song. It wasn't nothing major. It was just a little fishy song. All right, check that out, guys. Oh, flopping everywhere. Put off my hook. Check that one out, you guys. Just a little one. A little hatchery. Nothing back there. Whee! Awesome. See if we can get a twofer with the fishy song. Come on, fishy fish. Oh, guys, no way, no way. Oh, no way. Oh, he just spit my hook. Whew. That was too cool. That was just another little one. All right. Oh, there it is again. Oh, the 3 in a row, you guys. That's 3 in a row. Oh, that's too awesome. Oh, bring it right between those branches. Oh. Oh, oh, it's tangled up in the tree. No, no, no. Oh, let's get him around the tree. He's stuck in the tree. No. No way. Oh yeah, got him out from that tree. Heck yeah, look at that one, you guys. Just another nice small one. Just crunched this one too. Oh man. Let's get a nice release on this one. Oh, oh, go get him. It's like the ocean out here with the water. Man. Let's try to do 4 in a row, huh? Oh, that's awesome. Oh. All right, we switched back to this spoon. Still got our little split shots up there to help us get down in the water. But now let's get this back out there and get another one, huh? Fun day today. Beautiful too, super nice. Woo! See if we can get one. I'm just bringing this back nice and slow, just fast enough so I can feel it moving. If I get one on first cast, you guys gotta subscribe. Oh, what? You definitely got to now. Oh, that was too cool. Another nice one. Another nice one. Ooh, get out of that bush, buddy. Woohoo! Another nice one. Super cool. Just smoked it. Smoked it like a Cuban. Ooh, this guy's pretty. It almost has like a purple back on him. Let him fight. Let him fight. Woo! Alright, I think he's calming down now a little bit. He's calming down. Alright, come here, little buddy. Woohoo! Look at you. You are a purdy one. Yes, you are. Might be upside down. He is a purdy one, guys. Look at him. Alright, get him back. Bye-bye. Oh, the nice one. Got another. Ooh, got another one, you guys. He's acrobatic. He's a flying. He's an acrobat. A little bigger than the last two, but not as big as that first one. Man. God dang, fish too. Bye-bye. That was an acrobatic little sucker. So we can get another one real quick. It's catching a bunch of small ones right now. It's weird. We hooked up big, you guys. We hooked up on a big one. Ooh! Ooh, he was just nibbling it too. Just boop, 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 boop. Barely touching it. So sick. He's peeling drag too. There he is, there he is. That looked like that one that came up and started attacking our friend. Awesome. I switched up my setup. I started floating it off the bottom and whew, we hooked into this bad boy. Awesome. Fight him out. Make sure he's real out nice and tired. Whew. Awesome. I'm stoked. Still got a lot of fight in him. Woo! Fish is beautiful. All right, I'm gonna stop and set you guys up. Oh my God, you guys, look how beautiful they are. Look how beautiful. So beautiful. That's so awesome. All right, let's get the hook out of them. All right, in the bottom jaw. Ain't no perfect in that. All right, let's get a good release on them. All right. You're okay, buddy. Woo! Fuck yeah, guys. That was awesome. Stoked. All right, let's put this thing back out there. I just tied on this fake worm. I didn't bring my rope, so I just tied on this fake worm and I put a weight on it, a slip weight, put it to the bottom. So I caught that one. So let's put it back out there and see if we can get another one. Not even putting it that far out there. The river's so crazy that I don't want the current just to start yanking my stuff away. Well, this spot's getting pretty slow. Might end up getting out of here. Calling it a day. Take one more cast, see what has in store for us. But started to get real slow, guys. A couple hours passed since the last time I've touched the camera. Yeah. I'm out of here. What up, you guys? Thank you for watching another episode. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't, and everything you do helps me, supports me, keep helping me make content, keep helping me make videos, and I love it. It's awesome. So go ahead and hit that thumbs button and subscribe if you haven't, and thank you guys.